Hey, fellow investors and fellow stock guardians. It's Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from an all-around green stock market. The stock market indices bounced into the green zone on Tuesday, with the Nasdaq index leading the way with almost 4% jump. It was a good day for tech stocks investors, leaving anyone who had bought the dip in the last few days quite happy about his or her portfolio. With today's jump, the Nasdaq is now back in the green for the year. The main reason behind the upward movement seems to be the rush to buy the so-called dip, as we've been discussing in the last few days, and also the stabilization of the 10-year treasury yield around 1.5%. The market is certainly keeping it interesting. This could be the so-called dead cat bounce though, so we're not sure whether the upward rally would continue. There might be still opportunities for buy the dip if that's what you plan to do. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen in the next few days. Moving to the winners and losers of the day, the winner stock of the day isn't any of the high flyer stocks. No point discussing those stocks today. They all enjoyed good bounce. Let's talk about something a bit different. Despite the upward movement, there are still companies far behind their previous record high levels that may be good considerations for your portfolio, especially if you are betting on the growth potential that would come with the reopening of the economy. Today, I'd like to talk about one of those companies. It's called McCormick, ticker MKC. The stock was up only 1% today. However, it is hovering in a fair share price range if you visit the company's stock card. This is a company that spices up the world. Well, maybe not the entire world, but at least the food most of us eat at home or order from restaurants. Open your kitchen cabinet, and I'm sure most of you, just like me, already have a few McCormick products in your kitchen. The spice making industry isn't too competitive. It's not too sexy either for a lot of investors. Moreover, since restaurants were not doing too well during the pandemic, the company's wholesale business struggled quite a lot throughout 2020. Now, with the reopening on its way, revenue growth is expected to reach more than 7%, and the company continues to enjoy profitable operations and cash-generating status. It is also a dividend-paying stock worth considering if you're looking for reopening stocks to add your portfolio with some stability. On to the loser stock of the day. Yesterday, I talked about Stitch Fix, a company that uses data to personalize your shopping experience to your personal style and body type. The stock was down more than 50% from its all-time high record, and it continued its fall from glory by another 25% today. I hate to talk about the same stock 2 days in a row, but this is a good one worth paying attention to, so let's talk about it anyways. Stitch Fix has been growing its number of customers and revenue based on its latest quarterly earnings report. The 75% or so fall from its all-time high glory seems to be an overreaction to delays in rolling out a new direct buy offering and lower forecasts for 2021. I added a Stitch Fix to my watch list yesterday, and I'm keeping a close eye on this stock for a chance to buy a true dip, especially if the sell-off continues. No well-managed company can continue to grow day after day. There are always quarters that we need to adjust our expectations from the company's operations, and this quarter seems to be one of those quarters for Stitch Fix. By the way, we just fully refreshed the artificial intelligence list of stocks on a stock card. If you visit the Discover page and go to the Feature tab or type in artificial intelligence in the search bar, you get a list of 136 stocks to start your AI research on. Wouldn't it be interesting if we find a few undervalued AI stock? Let's try it out. Go to the Filter tab, type in artificial intelligence, and scroll down to the fair share price filter. Choose undervalued, and voila! 14 stocks show up that are using artificial intelligence in their product that are also undervalued. I saved this list and share a link with you in the show notes. Check them out if you want to start investing in artificial intelligence stocks. As always, if you like to give a stock card a try, research as many stocks that you want, and receive updates about the stocks and portfolios you're following, sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. See you tomorrow, folks.